To apply HDR effect, first step is to duplicate the layer. Then go to filter menu and select convert for smart filters. Now you click on the thumbnail of the layer 1. Go to image menu, adjustments, HDR toning. Just hit yes. You will get this window, and now I will set the preset to Photoshop realistic high contrast for this image. Click OK. You will get the result. Just save this file, go back to the original file and make a mask layer on the layer 1. Now select the brush tool and just brush with the white selected as foreground color on the areas you want to apply the effect. You will see the result. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.